Hi, welcome to Blender again. In a different tutorial, I demonstrated how to model this lamp. I didn't use the Shear tool to avoid the complexity, but now I will demonstrate it. I will change the shading to Material View. As you can see, these threads are horizontal. In practice, they are inclined. They should be inclined, not horizontal. I will tab into Edit mode, deselect everything, and make sure that the X-ray here is checked so that I can select the back vertices. I will press B to select the 3 threads and then hit rotate to rotate them on Y-axis. See, when you rotate them, the threads are inclined, but they are not on the aligned on the vertical axis. Let me tab into object mode. As you can see, there is an inclination here, but this is not straight while it should be. That is where the Shear tool plays the role. I'll go back into edit mode, undo, the rotation, and then select the Shear tool. I will select this handle and push slightly upwards on the Z axis. Now they are inclined, but they remain on the vertical axis. They remain aligned on the vertical axis. I'll go back to object mode. As you can see, they are now inclined. To visualize it properly, as you see, this part is a bit upper compared to this one, which is on this small axis, and this one is in the middle of this square. So I will demonstrate this using another example. I will select the lamp and hide it. I will add a cylinder and rotate it on Y-axis by 90. I will scale it on X-axis and then scale it again, restricting the X-axis. I'll go to edit mode and select this face. I will first switch off the X-ray so that I can properly see the face. So I select this face, go to front view, and then select the Shear tool. I will select this handle and push on X-axis. I will set this to -1. I will now extrude to Z axis, press Z twice, and then scale Z, then 0. As you can see, I have a straight shape which is not deformed here. If I had to use the rotation of this face, then the shape would be deformed. I will make Ctrl Z and then rotate on Y axis this face to demonstrate this. As you can see, the shape is deformed. I will now undo the changes and again select the shear tool, put -1, extrude on Z axis, and then scale on Z 0. I'll tab out of edit mode and select the solid view, the material view mode, then turn on the cavity and shade this smooth. Let me turn on the auto smooth normals. So as you can see, we have a straight shape and which is not deformed here. Thank you. Please subscribe to support our channel and get the future videos. Thank you.